Hello students, how are you? I am back with my next video for the question answer for chapter 3 for the book Buzzword part 7. I request you all to take out the question answers on the page number 34. Complete this sentence in your notebook. A part. First answer is did not like classical music. He did not like classical music. Second, he had never heard about the batch. Third, he was getting bored of the batch music. Fourth, he wanted to prove that he wasn't tone deaf. Fifth, they both didn't stand for clapping. B part, first question, you are not tone deaf. Who said this to whom? Answer is Einstein said these words to the narrator. Second question, why did the listener think he was a tone deaf? The listener thought so because he couldn't understand the notes of the music. Third question, how did the speaker conclude that listener was not tone deaf? The speaker concluded that the listener was not tone deaf because when he played the song of listener's choice, he started singing. Second question, first part, who said these words? The hostess said these words to Einstein. Second question, what had Dr. Einstein missed? Dr. Einstein had missed the music concert. Why did she give the narrator a cold look? The hostess gave the narrator a cold look because of him. Einstein had missed the concert. D question, first part. As you can see question I have done in the book. Write this. You have to do this question in the book itself. The narrator was thinking that he was tone deaf and couldn't understand the music. After meeting Einstein, the narrator started singing and was now able to understand the music. D question, think and answer first part. Yes, Einstein was a good teacher because he made narrator understand the notes of the music and also told the reason of why he could understand the music. Second question, did Einstein feel upset about missing a concert? Give reason for your answer. No, the reason behind it was Einstein had much interest in teaching rather than listening to music. So now I am going to give you a short summary of this chapter, which you have to write it in your notebook. This story is taken from the book Buzzword. The name of the story is The Night I Met Einstein. It is written by Jerome Weidman. In this story, the narrator was invited to a dinner party, and after the dinner, there was a music concert. The narrator had dinner, but he had no interest in listening to the music. But he had to because he did not want to disturb others. Right then, he met Einstein. Einstein took narrator to his room and started playing the music of narrator's choice. Narrator also started singing the song with the music. Then Einstein told him if we listened to anything many times, we started liking it. Then narrator was convinced that he wasn't tone deaf. Then narrator started liking and listening to the music. This is a short summary of the chapter. I request you all to write this in your notebooks in very neatly and cleanly. Now I am going to tell you the bookwork of this chapter. Page number 36. We have to complete the sentence with the correct form of the adjective. The answer of second part is longest. Third is worst, and the second part of third sentence is worse. Fourth is more useful. Fifth is farther, and sixth is less. We have to underline the adjective. Everybody, it is distributive adjective. Several, adjective of number. Which, interrogative adjective. My and his, possessive adjective. An antique, adjective of quality. Turn the page please on page number 38. We have to underline the relative clause. First one is done for you. Second is was. Circle the word was and underline which the collector brought from China. circle the word forest through which he travelled. Fourth, circle the word man who committed the robbery. Circle the word dictator who was proud of his immense wealth. Sixth, circle the word Jamshedpur where I grew up. Seventh, aunt who is well respected doctor. Eighth, job that was advertised. Now fill in the blanks of vocabulary section on the same page. The answer to the first blank is keep up. Second is bottle up. Third is back up. Fourth is blow up. Fifth is give up. And sixth is end up. I request you all to fill the book work of this chapter also and write question answers and the summary in the notebook. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe and wait for my next video.